Here we are. We're joined by Welsh Greg today, you know him. And we're crossing a log. Oh mate, that's twisting. But he's done it. Ben?
Right, do you wanna...
Oh yeah, here's the book there. The SAS survival guide today. We're going to try and make some slab traps. But are we going to do that with wet feet or dry feet?
Come on, Bucky. He's done
Dry feet so far.
He's done it.
Mate, I'm so unbalanced. This is very hard. This bag weighs a ton, man.
8 cans in there.
That was
Nice.
fucking hard.
Good effort.
Slight distraction that we found on this lovely brook.
Like Peter Pan. Ahoy.
I think Greg's stuck. Mate! You got away with it, mate! We're doing some target practice with the catapult, but this time with steel pellets, steel BBs.
There you see him.
You know, we're just going to try and hit that kind of bud
This
bird
kind
over
of
there.
bud over there, you can see it on the book.
We're trying to gauge to see if that would kill a pigeon, you know, or a squirrel or something. But hopefully we're just trying to hit it. Because if we can't hit something, then we're fucked.
Come on then.
Ooh. Yeah, hit there. It'd be like a marble entering our skin, which I think looks like a bullet. It's like a fully sized bullet for us, isn't it? Then with his nails that have come off.
Have a look at them. Ugh. Do it.
What is with this piece of shit? Here's Benny boy. Explain the technique you're going for now, Ben, to maximise your chance of hitting that can.
More ammunition.
Yeah?
Which will,
Like a shotgun effect.
yeah, like simulator. What do they call them?
Shotgun. So here we go. Give it some power. Do like 4 and we'll just, if we go and find, hopefully we'll find some.
Right.
But if not, don't worry. They're disposing.
It's fucking insane, I swear to God.
It's just minerals going back into the ground once it came. I think the pigeons run away now.
Right, I think one fell out. Come on.
Go on, Ben.
Oh, over the top, right.
Here's Greg now with a go. Doing one.
One in
Oh, okay.
there. One fell out.
Good luck.
Oh, mate, I was just to the right of it.
Was it?
Yeah, yeah.
Come
Benny.
on, Ben. Bring home the dinner.
Mate! Yes! Class, mate. Class.
Right, let's see the damage.
Class. So look.
There is definitely an indent,
Ah, yeah.
but it hasn't gone through.
That was very central,
that
mate.
is
That
the
is
most central thing.
Mate,
How did we
every
notice
angle
that?
is right.
Mate, have we got a ruler? Because that is fucking...
That is incredible. Yeah.
I mean, I was picturing an eye, actually.
Picturing the eyeball.
I was thinking the whites of the eye, and I think I got it.
We're doing stones now because, quite frankly, I think I've got a better chance of hitting that with a stone.
Yeah.
And that is going to kill any animal.
We popped a can.
Definitely.
That's ridiculous.
Oh, you absolute.
Well, that would kill a pigeon.
That
On the plus side.
That is
So
much
lethal.
more powerful.
Oh, God.
Well,
Dear me.
Oh, my falafels.
I think that's good.
Well, we're heading back to the car via river.
It's cold.
Ben's been forced into his boxers and
And these blue kegs.
I'm in my quick drying trousers. But mate, it'll get deep. Oh fuck, this is cold. Oh fuck.
Oh, fuck this, lads. I'm off. Fuck this.
Fuck this.
Oh, Norman.
Oh, Norman Davis!
Oh. This looks pretty deep coming up, potentially.
Under the bridge, is it, boys?
Do it. Yeah, mate, I need a piss like right now as well. I'm not going to do it now, but
Ben is.
at least it's flowing that way.
Those kids are going to get a nice warm current.
Yeah. God, Grandma, it suddenly got so tepid.
I told you it'd be warm, Grandma. I told you.
Have a feel, Grandma.
Have a sip, Grandma.
Well, we've just come through here and here's the car.
Come on then, boys.
Mate, this is deep.
Ow. My fingers, I can't grab onto anything.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. Yeah. Right.
Grow up.